Top tip, get green and primary care onto your team meeting agenda, those meetings you have regularly. Talk about it, come up with ideas, take action. There are lots of ideas in green and primary care framework that you can follow. And just remember, we don't need a few people doing this perfectly. We need millions of people doing it imperfectly, because together we can make a difference.
The top tips that I would offer is I think it's really important to engage with people, and I think that's a really low cost, easy thing for practices to do no matter who they are, around what their patients see as benefits. There are some really good practical things out there. One of the things I remember is the green inhaler project, just reducing the amount of green inhalers prescribed. And actually, some asthmatic patients actually preferred alternative medications or wanted to try something else, A, to see whether that would improve their health, but B, actually to be more sustainable and to protect the environment. And the second thing that I would probably suggest would actually be just replacing all of the light bulbs. Even in 2024, I was surprised at how many practices did not have LEDs and actually relied on old light bulbs, which cost so much more energy and was so much worse for the environment. These are simple things that we can do, and I think they can make a huge difference collectively if we work together within the whole of the NHS.
I gael gwybod mwy am gynllun gofal sylfaenol gwyrddach Cymru, ewch i dudalennau gwe gofal sylfaenol 1, lle byddwch yn dod o hyd i lio adnoddau a gwybodaeth ddefnyddiol. Ymhlith yr adnoddau hyn fe welwch blwydd lyfr 2022 sy'n cynnwys 12 astudiaeth achos bywyd go iawn o bractisau ledled Cymru, yn ogystal â 4 astudiaeth achos fideo sy'n cwmpasu pob proffesiwn contractor. Gallwch hefyd cysylltu â'r tîm drwy anfon e-bost at gofalsylfaenolgwyrddach@wales.nhs.uk.